Hello knitting friends, and welcome back to Knit the Stitch. Today I have this very pretty lacy design for you. It really is very lovely and looks far more complex than it actually is. It's knit using yarn overs to make these eyelet holes, along with knitting 3 stitches together to create the shaping. It has this wonderful scalloped shaped hem at the cast on, which would work nicely as the ends of a scarf or along one side of a shawl or even as the hem of a summer sweater. It's knit on multiples of 16 stitches. This swatch is 3 sets of the 16 stitches. 1 there, that's 2 and 3. And I also added a couple of edge stitches just so it would lay flat and finish the sides off neatly. This is how the reverse side looks. The pattern's knit over just an 8-row repeating pattern, and all the reverse side rows are simply purl rows. I'll write all the pattern instructions down in the description box below this video for you, so take a look at that, and please subscribe. It's free and means you won't miss out on any of my other videos. I have this smaller example here to show you, which is just a single set of the 16 stitches plus the 3 extra edge stitches, and I've worked 3 sets of the 8-row repeat already, so you can see how one panel of the lace looks on its own, along with this bottom edge shaping. So grab your needles and some yarn and let's get on with the knitting. Row 1 with the right side facing, knit the first 2 edge stitches, and then the pattern repeat begins, and this is the part between the asterisks in the written pattern. So knit the next 3 stitches together to make them into 1 stitch, and that's a decrease of 2. Knit 3, 1, 2 and 3, and then we have yarn over, knit 1 4 times. So that's yarn over, knit 1 once, yarn over, knit 1, that's twice, yarn over, knit another, that's 3 times, and yarn over, knit the 4th. Knit the next 2 stitches, and that's 2, and then we have slip 1, knit 2 together, and then pass the slipped stitch over that stitch there. So again we've decreased by 2, and knit the last 2 stitches. Row 2, knit the first 2 stitches, and then purl all the way to the last 2 stitches. So these are my last 2 stitches on row 2, and I'm just knitting those. Turning the work for row 3, knit the first 2 stitches and knit 3 together. So put the needle through 3 stitches and knit them as 1. Knit 1, and then we have knit 1, yarn over twice, knit once, yarn over, knit 1, yarn over, and knit the next 2 stitches, 1 and 2, and then I have knit 1, yarn over twice again, so that's knit 1, yarn over once, and twice. Knit 2, 1, 2, and then I have another slip 1, knit 2 together, find that slipped stitch and bring it over and knit the last 2 stitches. Row 4 is exactly the same as row 2, so that's knit the first 2 stitches, purl all the way along the row until the last 2 stitches, and then knit those. So these are my last 2 knit stitches. Row 5, knit 2, and then the pattern repeat begins. Knit 3 together. I have knit 1, yarn over twice. Knit 1, yarn over, that's once. Knit 1, yarn over, that's twice. And knit the next 5 stitches. And then I have yarn over, knit 1 twice, that's once. Again yarn over, knit 1, and then again slip, knit 2 together, locate the slipped stitch and bring it over and knit the last 2 stitches. This is row 6. Row 6 again the same as rows 2 and 4. Knit the first 2 stitches, purl along the row until you get to the last 2 stitches. So these are my last 2 stitches. I've just knit those. And row 7, knit 2, start the pattern repeat, knit 3 together. And then I have yarn over, knit 1, and that's twice. That's my second one. Knit 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And then I have knit 1, yarn over twice. That's once, knit 1, yarn over, that's the second time. And again slip, knit 2 together, find the slipped stitch and lift it over. Knit the last 2 stitches and row 8. This is the final row of the pattern. Knit the first 2 stitches and purl to the end of the row up to the last 2 stitches. And knit these 2 stitches. And that's all there is to this lovely lace pattern. I hope you found this useful. Please subscribe. Thank you very much for watching, and until next time, enjoy knitting all your stitches.